Hey everybody, it's a beautiful day today. I'm loving this weather. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna jump off of our reverse light, run the wire down, some wire, get the light I'm gonna mount, connectors. Oh yeah, them little kids getting it over there. I just ran the cart with them. It's pretty fun. Oh yeah, something I gotta fix. I lost my bolt. We'll find a bolt for that. So, run the wire down and then mount the lights up under here somewhere. We'll figure it out. So that's the plan for today. Alright guys, here we go. Alright, YouTube, I'm back. Got the lights pretty much wired up. I already closed that side up. I actually reopened this side just so I can show you guys. Here is your reverse harness. You got a red and a blue, and then a black and a black. I use the red as positive and the middle as ground. So this one is the red, and then the middle one as ground. And you can see it's a red with a blue stripe. I use that one as my positive. I just used these quick connectors, clamp them down, and then put that connector in. It makes a connection. So I'll show you how it works real quick. Hopefully, pretty sure. Get the parking brake set. Turn it to on.
Detected the vehicle has started.
Put it in reverse. And let's walk around here and up, 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 up. They're on. Boom. Boom. Like I said, they're getting mounted the other way. Put this back in park and make sure. I mean, obviously it should be off because it was off before, but yep, they're off. So like I said, blue and red wire positive, middle black wire is ground, and then the next thing is going to be me doing a time lapse of mounting these to the bottom to my bumper. Oh yeah, I've got the hardware kit right there, 2 of them. So I'm gonna get started on that time lapse. Alright guys, here we are wrapped up. Give you a side shot of what these lights look like. Not too awful worried about them getting messed up. Just want you guys to see what they look like during the day. They're nice and bright at night. I like the way they look. And I'm going to go ahead and cut over to the nighttime view so you guys can check that out. Alright. Good evening, YouTube. I'm sure, as you can tell, it's super dark. So I'm not going to adjust any lighting. I'm just going to show that I got my lights done. And what I'm going to do is power this thing on. To get you guys some lights.
Detected the vehicle has started.
Alright.
Start to record video.
Throw her in the reverse. And Shazam! God bless. That is nice and bright. I like it. I like it a lot. Well, there they are, installed. Pretty sweet. Always wanted backup lights. Super bright. Now I got them. Alright, YouTube. Talk to you later. Bye.